All right, so today we have the Vicrez Auto Care Interior Pro Car Cleaner BAC 105, and this is meant to clean the interior of your car for like a really tough stain, for carpet, for leather seating, for anything that's interior, for like your console, your glove compartment, your carpet on the floor mat. So anything that if you see like a really noticeable stain that you want to remove, this is the solution for it. So the process is very simple. There's instruction on the back as well. All right, so pretty much before you start, you just want to shake the bottle a little bit, attach the nozzle, and you just want to spray this directly onto the stain spot, and then just wipe it down with a cloth. And after you wipe it down one time, you can let it dry for a couple minutes. And if the stain is still there, you want to repeat the process. So just do the same thing, spray it, and then wipe it down with a cloth. And you just want to repeat that until the stain is gone. You can also just use this like a general interior cleaner,